Hi.
Shh. Shh. Don't tell me shh. You're shooting sideways again, but whatever. So, Xander got all hardware out for the starter. And, somebody don't want to come out. Something is bound up in there. Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, so I'll probably take a small bar and try to pop it out. But that's what happens if the Bendix sticks or they're rebuilt and they don't, like, there's too much throw and they overthrow, they'll bind, which explains why it wants to spin slow too, because it's probably cocked out. So we'll pop it out here with the pry bar.
What are you doing?
Never mind. So
That's a story time.
there, yeah, and we'll go back to that story later.
No, we won't.
When we're not on camera.
No, we won't.
Okay, I need something a little finer, Mr. Burns. Do you have something a little skinnier?
It's in his pants.
Or give me a little bang bang. Let me tap this with a little bang bang. It's not a bang bang.
Anything to hammer if you're brave enough.
This is true.
Oh, back locking up. Oh.
Let me get a little bang. Bang, 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 bang. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Thank you, sir. That's why your work shirt said brute force.
What do you want to do is hear this thing run?
Yeah, you and me both, bud.
I think all of us.
Okay, so it wasn't dragging on anything. Look, there's no marks. It was not dragging. That's really weird. Should we go put this one in the tester, see if it's screwy too?
Yeah.
That's our luck.